in everything you're doing in this life, please avoid wicked people. The world is cruel enough, okay? Not when you add marriage issues with a cruel and a wicked person. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, and I've come again with Palava. On today's episode of Palava, a man went on a podcast and was talking about his marriage, his family issues with his wife, right? And people are saying a lot of things. People were in the comment section criticizing a full-grown man crying on a podcast. Anyway, I don't need to say much. I need to show you a clip of the video. Take a look at it.
If I had a kid out of wedlock, I would have been justified. What did I do but just love? My wife traveled 6 years, and I was, for the small money I was earning, I was sending money to my wife every time. I have receipts here.
You were saying that
I was sending money abroad. I was sending flowers. I had friends in the US, and I would beg them to buy flowers and deliver in her house. Now look at your mouth. My wife didn't bother to come back since 2021. I did not see my wife again until last year that I sent her money to buy ticket to come to Nigeria. I went with 2 cars to the airport with my friends. I gave my friends phone so that they welcome her. I couldn't get a clip of me hugging my wife. You haven't seen your husband in 4 years, and I went to pick you up at the airport and you did not hug me. We got home and she did not kiss me, she did not hug me. I slept in the living room for 2 days. I never get car since I came to Lagos. Last year was the first time I got a car. I bought a Lexus RX 350. I bought it with my hard-earned money when I stopped sending money abroad.
So you were sending money abroad?
I was sending money. I would send money. My wife would call me and tell me the money is too small. How much did they pay me? I would do a gig of 500k. I will send 200k. The receipts are here.
How can you call your wife for 3-4 days and she will not call? She will not call back. She will not pick. Anytime I call her, now when she did inside motor, she got a house and got a male flatmate.
What?
She got a house and got a male flatmate and said, you know how you can sublet your room. But why a male? I was not comfortable with it.
Nobody will be.
But I let it slide, only for me to find out 2 days ago that the person that she was staying, that she claimed was a flatmate, was sleeping with her.
Is it the same guy she married?
No, I've been in love, but I stupid. I saw a picture of her sitting in a restaurant on a man's leg. Right? It seems like a normal picture. Let me see. Look at the iPad on the table. What do you see? Let me see. Zoom in. You can zoom in.
You've seen it, right? You first of all, how can somebody you claim you love at some point, somebody you married and exchanged vows, at some point you be treating the person this mean? First of all, I don't know why our people are always good in criticizing, because people are saying that the women are the problem. Obviously, because from when you dig deeper, you see that this lady they are talking about, it be like say you don't marry like plenty, like twice, right? Okay, that's by the way. Let me not just talk about whether she married twice or whether she don't marry. Somebody is abroad and you're still sending the person money. It shows that you like the person or you love the person. And people we admire, see, before anything else, if you are looking for love as a person, as a human being, as a guy man, as a lady, as a man, please look for somebody that is kind. Look for a family that is kind. In as much as they are bad eggs in families, or they're black sheep, right? But this love, say at one point this love where they shock you, it will fade out. The love is going to fade out, right? And when the love fades out, that is when you start seeing the true colors of somebody you are dealing with. Love will fade out. If this person is kind, you will see that this person is a naturally kind person. If the person is somebody that is with a sense of initiative, people where they feel person pain, somebody with conscience, a realist, you will see that this person is kind and everything. Not when you the love will fade out. You start seeing a monster. Remember yesterday I did a video about two couple, a husband and a wife. We are busy in the house. They just their house, they yap themselves. You can imagine. After doing that video, I know say at some point somebody might be angry, right? But it get as you go vex, you go talk some things on how you dey vex. Later you go the reason wetin you talk. These people were saying a lot of things. Anyway, I will leave the link of that video. Okay, you need to see that video. All right, on this one, if it's going to a podcast to vent, to tell people about himself that makes him feel good, this guy needs to at least talk to people, because the person that is marrying that woman now will feel that he don't hit jackpots. You know, they on their own they hit jackpots, they enjoy. But somebody is now here telling you the pain he felt from this lady. And this, you know what this lady did? I'll still put the video right now. This lady, after this guy did this video, you know what she did? She came out and was dancing. This lady was dancing to somebody's pain. Somebody you know that you shared, you once said you love this person, even though you don't like this person. Why would you come on and be dancing? So you are rejoicing over this person's pain, right? If you know, one thing is for sure in this life, tables turn. You know this table they turn. No, change is constant and tables turn. This lady was busy dancing and showing off the current partner she's with, while the other guy is dying in his pains of waiting he do for her, right? And she came out and started saying when she wants to fall in love, she collapsed in love. Whether you are collapsing in love or you're to me personally, that dance where that woman go, they dance, it says everything. Even though she did not do all those things that guy is accusing her, because I'm sure that most of the things that guy is saying, some of them might be lies. The only thing wey spoil the whole thing, the woman was now dancing. People like the dance read a lot of meaning into what the guy is saying, which means the guy is right. You know, women are brutal. You will now come and so most of my gender will now come out and say, at 35, at 40, I am not married. At 40, you are not married. But when you were younger, when you were in your prime, you felt that you have all the time in the world. Anyway, I don't need to say much. I said my own 2 cent opinion on how you feel about that this whole thing. Please leave it on the comment section, because marriage palaver, you need to finish. This one, it touched my heart, it touched my soul. You can imagine a full grown man crying on a podcast. He did not hold back, because you know when it comes to love, it hurts the soul. Until I come again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my regular watcher, thank you for being here. I am Bella. Peace out. Palaver, you need to finish.